Loving, caring. This is my family.
Welcome to Grandpa Kitchen.
Today we are preparing
Oreo Swiss rolls. Wow, it's very satisfying while opening these biscuits. I eat different kind of biscuits, but the Oreo is something special for me. It's always favorite for me because it has a different texture, black color texture and the white cream. And if you see this design, biscuit design is like ancient old coin. You can see that it's the different kind of a design. So the kids, a lot of kids love this. I have two kids. Whenever I go to the supermarket, my kids always willing to buy these Oreo biscuits. They love a lot. Now we will separate cream and biscuit. నీకోసం వెలుగు పెరిగింది నీకోసం ఎండ వెలుగు పెరిగింది We are separated cream from the biscuits. Now we will crush these biscuits and make powder. We will add these biscuits into cover and we will make the powder. We will lock this cover using the zip locker. Now we can make the powder easily. We will make the powder all these biscuits. We will make a smooth powder. So it will take a lot of time, but we need to make smooth powder. Will make a smooth powder. So it will take a lot of you can see we made Oreo biscuits into smooth powder. You can see how smooth it is. I'm adding milk into this biscuit powder to make a thick dough. Water. I'm placing the bowl to melt the white compound chocolate. I'm adding extra white compound chocolate to the cream which we are separated from the Oreo biscuits. So it will become extra layer, white layer to make the enough Swiss roll. I'm melting white compound chocolate in hot water. We do not melt directly on fire, so we need to use hot water to melt it. Let's see, melted or not. Wow. So I'm adding Oreo cream into the white compound chocolate to mix together. We'll mix both together. I'm adding some milk. We spread this dough into flatten. Now we will cut the upper part of the cover. Ready? Now we will add white layer of this cream. I'm adding in between. I'm adding grated coconut on top of it. You can also add any dry fruits along with it. Now we will roll. Now we will wrap with the cover like this. We will keep in fridge for 2 to 3 hours, then we will serve it. ఇదేనా
తిను రావాలి
అది